Hi folks, how are you? Today I am going to recite Try Again, a poem by William Edward Hickson. I hope you will like my reciting of this poem. So let's start. It's a lesson you should heed. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear, for if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear. Try again. Once or twice though you should fail, once or twice though you should fail, try again. If you would at last prevail, try again. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace, though we do not win the race. What should you do in that case? What should you do in that case? Try again. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace, though we do not win the race. What should you do in that case? Try again. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other folk can do, all that other folk can do, why with patience should not you? All that other folk can do, why with patience should not you? Only keep this rule in view. Only keep this rule in view. Try again. I hope you folks like it. Please subscribe my channel and meet you again with a new recitation of some poem. Take care. Bye.